Todd Colchin with Colchin Automotive here. We've got a 2009 Volkswagen Tiguan in for various different reasons. One of them is timing chain tensioner failure, causing intake valves to crash into pistons. So of course, in the process, turbocharger and exhaust manifold and so forth comes off the car. Wanted to show you what happens to these turbochargers as they wear. This particular car has not set a check engine light with a trouble code of P0299, which is a underboost code. Very common on these cars, but it's about to set that code. And here's why. This is the wastegate valve. You can see that as I move the shaft here, it's moving in a radial fashion when all it should do is move in an axial fashion like this when it opens and closes. But right here by my thumb is where the shaft gets worn and the bushing that the shaft goes through. Parts are not available individually for these turbochargers. Volkswagen, of course, recommends replacement of the entire assembly. The other thing that gets worn is that hole right there. As you can see, it's not really round, it's egg-shaped. So where this pin goes through there, it causes the hole to elongate. That's not necessarily a huge problem. Usually, unless it gets really, really worn out, will not cause any codes to set. So there you have it. Worn turbocharger ends up requiring replacement. Colchin Automotive. Thanks for listening.